Good morning, guys. It's Frosty8415. Thought I'd give you an update on the motorcycle. They're supposed to call me this morning. And the reason I got my hat on is every now and then I'll take and shave my mustache off and everything. And one of my good friends on YouTube said, "You're not going Amish on me, are you?" I guess you could call me Amish Bob. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take a deep breath on this one. $190 with warranty. Warranty doesn't cover tuning and dynoing. So when they changed the intake gaskets, which is what he said it was, they had to tune it and dyno it. I have the tuner. Well, the tuner's already there. It's on the motorcycle. It was already pre-tuned because it has the Stage 2 kit on it installed. So, and on the extended warranty, there's a $50 deductible. So, I guess I'm paying $130 for a dyno and $50 deductible on whatever. And he said, "I'm cutting you a deal. We're only going to charge you 1 hour of labor." I think labor's $100 some. It's outrageous. It's outrageous. I need to open up a Harley shop. That sounds like a real idea, actually. Or a repair shop and get certified by Harley to do repairs, and then hire nobody under 55. I know that's horrible, but it's you can't get anybody that wants to work. You know, most of the guys you talk to at the Harley shop actually used to own their own shop, and they really couldn't make a go of it, so they ended up working at the Harley shop or something. And it's not that these guys don't know what they're doing. It's just I don't understand. It's a money racket, you know. It's a money racket. With a warranty, I'm still out of pocket $185, or I might as well say $190. Not a happy camper. I'm gonna call Harley and see what's going on. Not gonna help. So I guess I'll just take it. This is Frosty. I'm not Frosty today. I'm out.